our dream place!
Our dream place? Where?
Look at this map. This is Italy. And here, these are the Dolomites.
The Dolomites? Oh, the mountains are beautiful.
My dream is to go there with our caravan.
That is a big dream, Jessica. But we can plan it together.
Yes! Let's plan our dream trip. And let's learn the English words we need.
Today, we will practice simple sentences with we will.
Listen and repeat. We will go. We will go. We will go.
Good. Now let's start our journey.
Mark, where are the Dolomites?
The Dolomites are in the north of Italy. They are very tall mountains. Some mountains are more than 3,000 meters high.
3,000 meters? That is very high.
Yes, so we need to be ready.
Ready for the mountains. Ready for the lakes. Ready for the caravan.
Let's say one sentence. We will go to the Dolomites.
Now repeat with me. We will go to the Dolomites. We will go to the Dolomites.
First, we need a warm jacket. The mountains can be cold.
A warm jacket. A warm jacket. A warm jacket.
Good. We will take a warm jacket.
Repeat. We will take a warm jacket. We will take a warm jacket.
Next, we need hiking boots. Hiking boots are for walking on rocks.
Hiking boots. Hiking boots. Hiking boots.
Great! We will take hiking boots.
Your turn. We will take hiking boots. We will take hiking boots.
What about Kekemu?
Woof, woof, woof.
Kekemu needs a jacket too. A small jacket.
A small jacket for a small dog. A small jacket for a small dog. A small jacket for a small dog.
Perfect. Kekemu is ready.
At night, we will sleep in our caravan.
The caravan is small, but it is comfortable.
It is our little home.
Let's practice. We will sleep in our caravan.
Repeat with me. We will sleep in our caravan. We will sleep in our caravan. I can see the stars. I can hear the wind. And Kekemu is sleeping near us.
That sounds peaceful.
This is our dream trip.
After walking, we will eat outside. We will have a picnic.
Cheese and bread?
Yes. Cheese, bread, fruit, and maybe hot tea.
We will eat outside. We will eat outside. We will eat outside.
In the morning, we will listen to the birds.
The birds sing, "The morning is peaceful."
Repeat. We will listen to the birds.
We will listen to the birds. We will listen to the birds.
We also need a map. A map shows us where to go.
Map. Map. We will take a map. Repeat. We will take a map. We will take a map.
And we need a blanket. At night, the caravan can be cold.
A blanket. A blanket. A blanket.
We will take a blanket.
Repeat with me. We will take a blanket. We will take a blanket.
Let's repeat the words.
A warm jacket. Hiking boots. A small jacket for Kekemu. A map. A blanket.
Great! The caravan is ready.
Mark, look at Kekemu. He is running.
He is very happy. The grass is soft and green.
Let's say it. Kekemu will run in the green grass. Slowly now. Ke-mu will run in the green grass. Kekemu will run in the green grass.
Good job. That is a beautiful sentence.
And Kekemu loves it. Now, let's imagine.
We are in the Dolomites. The sky is blue. The air is fresh.
And the mountains are so big.
Let's practice. We will walk near the blue lakes.
Repeat with me. We will walk near the blue lakes. We will walk near the blue lakes.
The water is clear. We can see the sky in the water.
I love blue lakes.
Next sentence. We will watch the sunset.
Say it with me. We will watch the sunset. We will watch the sunset. The sunset is orange and pink and quiet.
We can sit together. We can take photos. And we can just breathe. The mountains are beautiful. But they are also quiet and peaceful.
I feel happy. I feel calm. I feel free.
Nature helps us feel calm.
Mark, do you think we will really go there one day?
One day, Jessica. One day.
With our caravan?
With our caravan. And with Kekemu.
Of course.
Today we practiced. We will go. We will take a warm jacket. We will walk near the blue lakes. We will watch the sunset. We will eat outside. We will sleep in our caravan.
Now it is your turn. Write one sentence in the comments. Start with, my dream place is...
Where is your dream place?
We read every comment.
If this helped you, tap like and subscribe.
Keep learning, keep dreaming, and have a beautiful day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.